Spirituality and some facts related with today's spirituality. In conversations, books, and social media posts, the word spirituality is frequently used. But do we truly understand what it means? Religion is for those who fear hell. Spirituality is for those who have already been there. I also found this somewhere around in the internet. But is this real? Do you think every spiritual person has been through hell? They might have been enjoying different dimensions of our beautiful life, but not every spiritual person has to come out from hell to be a spiritual person. The point of spirituality actually is to see the reality as how it is, without any judgments. Spirituality is the realization of the essence of one's own being, who we really are. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Soulful Spark. In today's topic, we are talking about spirituality and some facts related to spirituality. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so that you get updated with every content we create. If we divide the word spirit and ritual, that is understanding ourselves as a spiritual, and ritual means doing something. Ritual or rituality, which is also a kind of functionality. The process through which we can understand our spirit. The word spirit, when we use here, we are talking about ourselves. So, we can say the journey to understand ourselves, that's spirituality. The beginning of spirituality starts with the questioning of who I am and why am I here in this universe. Spirituality is all about correcting your understanding. Spiritual development involves regular, disciplined activities known as practices. They make it possible for people to move closer to whatever they perceive to be the ultimate objective of human existence. They obviously require some self-sacrifice because they require diverting time and energy that could have been spent on more immediately enjoyable activities. Several facts related with spirituality. There is no path or set of beliefs that makes up spirituality. The benefits of spiritual experience can be attained in a variety of ways. It depends on you how you define spirituality. For some, it's their devotion to a particular religion or their acceptance of a higher power. Others may find it involves feeling connected to a higher power or a sense of interconnectedness with nature and the rest of humanity. Secular spirituality is the term used to describe spirituality that manifests in non-religious context. Modern spirituality is secular, not religious. Secular spirituality is more concerned with seeking inner peace and personal development than it is with looking for a savior. Someone who is revered for their selfless service for their inspirational life is referred to as a secular saint, regardless of their religion. Being a spiritual being is more important than simply following one. According to this way of thinking, the world will come to learn how to live in peace and harmony if we all strive to be our best, highest selves. Spiritual capital is a term used to describe the potential contribution that spirituality can make to our daily lives. This idea involves calculating the value of spiritual, moral, or psychological beliefs and practices to society as a whole in the interest of a humanly productive or successful life. Now, for the true followers who stayed with us until the end, we have a bonus tips for you guys. There might be different reasons for people to come towards a spiritual journey. Some join to find purpose and meaning. Some are here to cope with feelings of stress, depression and anxiety. Some might want to restore hope and optimism. Also, some might be here to find a sense of community and support. Regardless the situation, spirituality helps with all those findings of your answers. Comment down below if you have some ideas about spirituality or how you want to start your spiritual journey. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you can watch similar contents like this in upcoming future. Thank you for being with us.